What's going on, traders? Welcome to another video. It's Emmanuel from LiveFree, and today I am bringing you a live trading video that was taken from the LiveFree private community of me day trading gold and making $4,900 in 1 hour. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the reason why I share these sessions on the YouTube channel is because I want you guys to know that the stuff that we teach on the channel is not just theory, it is actually practical stuff. I've been in the market for the last 9 years, and trust me, I have tried a lot of different things, and what we teach right now is pretty much one of the best out there. So I'm also grateful when I come to the market, whether I make $1, whether I make $1,000. In this case, we made pretty much close to $5,000. But what I want you to do is I want you to focus on the steps that was taken. I want you to focus on the process, and that's what you have to do for yourself as well. Focus on your process, focus on developing the process, and the money is going to be a byproduct of that. And you have to believe in yourself as well, and know that where you are today is not where you're going to be tomorrow. If you keep putting in the work, you are going to have everything that you possibly dream of. Now, if you want to be a part of these live sessions when they happen in real time, you can click the link down below and become a member in the LiveFree private community. I look forward to seeing you. Let's waste no time. Let's jump straight into the video. What's happening, traders? Welcome to another live trading session. It's Emmanuel from LiveFree, and today we're in the charts, taking a look at gold. So right now with gold, we are taking a look at what we on a daily time frame. All right, when we come into the market, the first course of action is to say, hey, who is in control? And right now we have the all-time high right there, right? And price just tried to make play for the all-time high, and it kind of failed. We have this accumulation zone here on the daily time frame, but we also have a break of structure right here. I have a feeling that the market is reaching for the all-time high, and it's going to be taking out the all-time high. But at the same time, we still have this market structure that we broke, right? Sellers took out with the election. So pretty much this was the election day, and we saw a pretty significant dip to the downside. But since then, sellers haven't been able to come to the market, and we've been seeing buyers just essentially dominate. There was a little bit of a struggle here in this area, which is why we had marked it as an accumulation zone. But if we go over to the 4-hour time frame here, we can gain a little bit of perspective and start to see what's happening. So we have a large accumulation range right here, and we can see the market essentially making high highs and high lows. Yesterday's London low. So yesterday you could have came into the market, ladies and gentlemen, and applied the London high and the London low and a beautiful break of structure, and you would have had a losing trade. Not because you weren't on the right side of probability, it just wasn't your day. So right here we have the London low now. So today I am anticipating the market to respect the London low and push to the upside. Also, we have an accumulation zone right here. You can factor this as a nice accumulation zone overall. But on top of that, we have the London low that is still technically holding. So keeping that in mind, me being how I am, knowing that the higher time frame, there's still a good chance that we could see buyers coming to the market. And yesterday we fell pretty significantly without any sort of pullback. I am looking for some possible opportunities to be a buyer in today's market. So yeah, I think, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go in on the buy trade right there, and I'm going to go in on the buy, and boom. So I'm in on the buy right now. This would be my stop loss, so 38 pep. So first take profit is 27.4820, and that's going to be an area where we're looking for price to essentially reach for, and that I'm going to be taking something off the table. Went in with 15 standard on this trade. All right, ladies and gentlemen, nice. Same here. Looking for price to hit 27.55 overall, Andrew. 27.55. Yeah, buddy, that's where I got it. Yes, smart man. 27.55, that's where I have my overall take profit there. That's kind of where I'm looking for things. Right now I'm up around $1,800 on this trade. By the grace of God, I'll be able to take something off and pay myself. Let's see here. This is 16 pep. So we're halfway to our target. We just need to see a little bit more action, more movement. I'll probably You know, once the market starts to play within this range, I'll probably look to take something off the table. And one of the main things that we do is understanding that we are not going to be able to shut our emotions off at the door. We need to learn to regulate it. All right, so we have I would recommend reading up on the mental edge, mastering the mental edge of trading, which you have access to in the LiveFree FX University. I think we're working on moving everything to WAP, so it's under just one place. You don't have to go somewhere else. But overall, yeah, like your psychology is a critical thing. How you start your day is big. That's why I always say when you come into the market, making sure that you're calm, you're relaxed, meditating. It might not be for everybody. Not everybody might believe in meditation. I've been meditating for the last 9 years. It's allowed me to stay focused on my goals, manifest a lot of my dreams, but just stay centered and stay grounded in what I'm going after, but visualizing my ideal performance. But outside of meditation, when you're actually trading, breathing, you know, is one of the main things that's going to regulate yourself. We can get into the technical aspect of, okay, what happens when you're trading, which I've talked about that. You know, a lot of you guys can now talk a lot about the amygdala, because that's something that we talk a lot about, because the amygdala is part of your limbic system, and that's what's responsible for taking you into a fight or flight. So when a lot of traders get emotional and they start to over leverage, they start to over trade, and they start to like do things they normally wouldn't do, it's because they get hijacked. There we go. All right, baby, that's it. Okay, money. All right, there you go. Stop loss been moved to break even. Boom. The market gives and the market takes. Right, so a lot of the time you're going to see us, if we are taking a trade, we like to put ourselves in a position where we pay ourselves for our time. That way we can secure something, right? Because if you're trading maybe a smaller account, yeah, you might not want to pay yourself $50, but it's the mentality. Because from a small account, you're going to get a big account. But if you get comfortable paying yourself for your time, and then you're like, okay, you know what? Let the small wins add up. And then if you're swing trading maybe once or twice a week or whatever, right, and you hold some of these trades, you can make, you know, some more profit, you know, with that regard. So this is what we do. And even on days where it doesn't go as planned, it's still what we do. You know, it's still the game of trading. But the most important thing, ladies and gentlemen, is coming into the market and doing the same thing over and over again. I'm just gonna move my stop loss over here so I can secure something if the market, you know, now if the market wants to just let price do what it wants to do. Okay, boom, I am out.